All right, so now they just say, okay, solve it however you want to. So we could use graphing, we could use elimination, we could do substitution. It doesn't matter. But in this case, I think I'm just going to do elimination because that's just kind of my favorite to do anyway. But what I would do in this case, I'm going to have to multiply both equations by something. And if I use this part, I'm going to be multiplying by big numbers. If I use these parts, I'm going to be having smaller numbers. So let's take the top one times a minus 2 to get the opposite sign, and the bottom one times a 5. So that gives me a minus 10m, and then we have plus 14n equals a minus 18. That gives me a 10m, and then we'll have what? A minus 60, and that's equal to, and a 110. Okay. So now what we have to do is we just have to simplify and add the things together. And so when we do that, we're going to first take and notice our um, in m cancel each other. And so we're going to say, okay, we'll add this together. That cancels that. And so we just have to now take 60 minus 14. So it's going to be what? A minus 46. And that's an n still there, and that's equal to, and then we take 110 minus 18, and we get a 92, which is good because then if we take and multiply that by 2, we're going to get that. So if we divide by negative 46 and divide by negative 46, n is equal to a negative 2. Okay. So that's kind of our y value. Now to substitute in, it really doesn't matter which one we do. Let's do the top one. So let's say 5m minus 7 times a minus 2 equals 9. So that's going to be a 14. So if I subtract 14, then I have 5m is equal to, and it looks like a minus 5. So m is equal to a minus 1. And so it looks like minus 1 comma minus 2 is my solution. Now, I'm going to check as always because that's make sure we have the right answer. We'll take 5 times minus 1 minus 7 times a minus 2. That's supposed to be 9. So it's a minus 5. And then it's plus 14 equals 9. 14 minus 5 is 9. So it works there. And 2 times m, which was again negative 1, minus 12 times a minus 2 equals 22. Well, that's a minus 2 plus 24 equals 22. Well, 22 minus 2, or 24 minus 2 is 22. And so it checks. So that is our solution to this problem. Okay. All right, let's stop there and come back for another one.